Hope you guys are doing well. Welcome back. So in this video, I'm going to show you that how you can search any kind of product on the Temu website. So let's get started. So first of all, what we have to do simply we need to go to the website, and after going to the website, as you can see, you will be able to see the search bar here. You can also see the products in the category wise. You can also search from here. You can choose the products from here. For example, I'm going to search the product from here, like the let's search for the dress. So I'm going to search the dress here, and then you have to press the enter. And after pressing enter, you will be able to see the different types of dress. You can mention the dress name, and you'll be able to see the different types. As you can see now, these all types of dresses are provided here. For example, I'm going to write the shirt here, so you have to write the shirt, and then you need to press the enter. And after pressing the enter, you will be able to see the different types of shirt here. You can choose any shirt which you want to buy. As you can see, these different types of and all types of shirts are provided here. It's up to you that which one you want to buy. So as you can see now, it's done. In this way, you can search any kind of thing. If you want to open a product, you can also do that. Simply you have to click on the product. For example, I'm going to click on this product, and you'll be able to view this product in a detailed way. We have to slide this notification, so let's choose this here. We have to follow this step for the verification purpose. So as you can see now, the shirt is open. As you can see now, you can check the quality, and these all sizes and colors are provided here. You can buy this from here. So in this way, you can search any kind of product on the TeamU website, and you can open the product. I hope you guys understand this video that how you can do this. So see you guys in the next video.